Replacing the lower right cutout. Before starting work on the quantum heater, it is important to safely isolate the product from both electrical supplies, the peak supply and the off-peak supply. Equipment must be safely isolated. Follow G38 isolation techniques. Ensure all 12 steps are adhered to and the equipment is safe to work on. Only trained and competent persons are allowed to work on Dimplex heating and ventilation products. Dangerous voltages and switch neutrals can be found in many products. This is outside the scope of the fixed wiring systems. By the end of this short video, you will know how to replace the quantum heater lower right cutout. Ensure the product is isolated from both supplies and remove the quantum heater exterior panels. Remove the fan from the heater to gain access to the lower right cutout. The lower right cutout is located directly below the fan. Remove the two screws that secure the cutout to the chassis. Lift the cutout away from the chassis. And remove the cutout from the heater. Disconnect the two terminals from the cutout, noting their orientation. Ensure the new cutout has not been damaged in transit and has continuity before installing. Fit only Dimplex authorised spares when repairing the heater. Ensure the part being installed matches the model and heater series. Reconnect the two spade connections to the new cutout. Replace the cutout behind the chassis and tighten in place with the two screws. Replace the fan and ensure that the internal cables are routed away from the core heating elements. Carry out a continuity check of the peak circuit to ensure that the cutout circuit is closed. Replace the cover and ensure the heater works. Thank you.